When is the Medicare annual enrollment period, and why is it important to you? The Medicare annual enrollment period runs from October 15th through December 7th each year. The annual enrollment period is only extended beyond December 7th when FEMA declares an emergency or a major disaster in your area that would make sign-up difficult. Each September, before the AEP period begins, you'll receive an annual Notice of Change letter detailing the changes in your coverage for the following year. Being aware of the annual enrollment window is important because it gives you the opportunity to reevaluate your current coverage and decide whether to change it. Any changes you make during the AEP go into effect on January 1st of the following year. For example, you can switch from Original Medicare to a Medicare Advantage program that may provide additional coverage that Original Medicare does not. You also have the option to switch from one Medicare Advantage program to another for increased benefits. If Original Medicare coverage changes, you can even switch back to Original Medicare, or just update your Part D drug plan to take advantage of price changes in prescription drugs. As you can see, there's a lot to know about Medicare annual enrollment. Let us help you with your important Medicare decisions. Call to speak to a licensed insurance agent.